Hey guys, it's Rachel and I have so much product in my hair right now, crunch level 100, and I'm really trying to figure out how to make this last without having to wash my hair. So I had to call in the expert, Marc Mena.
Hi. Wait, listen. It's like cement. Okay, so let's take this elastic down and see how much product is in here. Look at that. The ponytail does not move.
I was going for a sleek look.
Okay, so basically what we have to do is just kind of break down the product a little bit, and all your solution is just a little bit of spray of water.
Really?
Yeah, so you just mist it with water. You take your natural bristle brush. First of all, you work your way from the bottom up without, so you don't break your hair. And then you just kind of really brush it in there.
Oh yeah, it's starting to give.
And then you break down the product. And you'll see flakes, and this also removes the water, just kind of helps remove all the flakes. And you have to be kind of quick with it because it dries up and then it becomes stiff again.
So you gotta act fast.
You gotta act fast. Then once that's kind of brushed out, take a wide tooth comb and just kind of really work out that product. And so what you're doing is you're distributing the product throughout the hair, and then what we're gonna do is blow it out and create something smooth and sleek. And the heat is also breaking down the product.
I do ballet for fun, and so I go from these super sleek, tight buns. I don't always want to shower right after if I have plans.
Right. How many years have you been doing ballet?
Since I was like 5.
And like all those years, you had no idea. The way I discovered this is during Fashion Week. We'll get girls from one show that had an extreme hairstyle, slick back like you did, and then the next look was like sleek hair. So we had to take it from one extreme to another.
And the best part is how fast you're able to do it. It already feels way softer.
I'm just blow drying this smooth. You can always throw a curling iron in it. But I would stay away from the root area. That heat will start to create the product to reactivate.
So are you on the lightest setting?
I'm not. I'm just moving really fast. If you're doing this on your own, I will use the lightest setting. I have a vent brush, and then once it's all blown out, then I just kind of go through it just to get some movement at the root.
I can't believe how easy you're able to brush through it.
Yeah.
I never thought I would be able to wear my hair down after where it came from. I'm definitely gonna do this like all the time now, like when I'm at the gym or when I'm in class, and it feels soft.
Yeah,
like it feels
soft.
like I washed
And
it. I thought it would always require like either a different type of product or like honestly washing it.
First step.
Spraying the water, but you have to act fast and brush through it quickly with your blow dryer on the lower setting. Comb through as you
Blow dry each section.
You take a wider tooth comb, and that's when you get the movement and
Exactly.
break through it. Yay! How'd I do? A+?
I'm giving an A. Not an A+.
I'll work for that plus.
Next time, I'm sure it'll be an A+.
After some practice.
Yes, great.
Well, thank you so much, Marc.
You're welcome. I'm so happy this tip is going to help you all the time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.